Hi guys, I'm Aakriti and Rakhi is just around the corner, so I thought of sharing with you guys a Rakhi makeup look. So this is the look that I created. So for today's video, I'm not going to be showing you the whole makeup look. I'm just going to be showing you this eye makeup look. So in case you guys are interested in knowing how I did this eye makeup look, then keep on watching this video. And yeah, without further ado, I think let's just get on with the video. So let's start with the eyeshadow look, and as you can see I have already done one eye and I'm gonna be starting with the other one. So yeah, for today's look I am using the Hilary Rhoda's eyeshadow palette, which you can see, and yeah, for my crease line I'm using this very nice mauvish color, and I'm applying it using this fluffy brush on my crease line to kind of define it. And I'm using this as my base color and putting it kind of all over my eyelid, and yeah, just building it slowly, not going overboard with the color, so that the makeup looks really nice and not very dark. So yeah, and I'm not really good at explaining the procedure of this, so yeah, kind of see the look and yeah, you can get it. And now I'm using this very nice bright poppy pink color, and using this flat brush I am applying this on the highest point of my eyes, mainly the middle of my eye, and yeah, extending it to my outer V also, and not on the inner V, because there we are going to be applying yellow color. So yeah, this is how I am blending, because you can see some hard edges, and yeah, blending for that is very important. And I'm also doing this kind of motion so that you can see my eye looks very defined and lifted. Okay, so this is a technique that I've learned, and yeah, it looks really nice. And then blending, and yeah. Now to define my crease a little bit more, I'm using these two brown shades, and using that again same flat brush I am defining my crease line, you can see, just like that. And yeah, now just using a fluffy brush, again that same fluffy brush, to blend it in and have a seamless effect. And yeah, and now comes the yellow shade, which you can see is not that pigmented, but yeah, I guess this is fine because this palette was very affordable. And yeah, now watch me struggle getting this yellow color. And now finally I got the desired color, and now I'm just going to be cleaning my eye makeup look using a concealer. As you can see, this will make the eye lifted very nicely. And yeah, you can see abhi bahut zyada sharp lag raha hai, but yeah, once I blend it, it will look very natural. And yeah, and I also decided to outline my lower lash line with the same color, which was not a part of the plan, but yeah, I just felt like it. So yeah, and now eye makeup look is completed. I'm just going to be applying some mascara. I am not applying any liner because yeah, I thought this makeup look is looking complete on itself. And yeah, And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and if you did, do like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.